Is the given binomial a factor? Well, a binomial is a factor if the number that makes this expression equal 0 makes this guy equal 0 as well. So if I were to subtract 6 from both sides, that magic number is going to be -6. All right, so if I were to plug in -6 into that guy, am I going to get 0? If so, the answer is yes, and if no, the answer is no. So let's do some math. -6 to the 5th, holy crap, I have no clue what that even is, plus 6 times, although I may not have to know what that is if I have my trickeries, which I do, to the 4th, sorry, minus 3, -6 squared, minus 22, -6, minus 29. Now here's my trickery. -6 times -6 times -6 times -6 times -6 is some negative really big number, okay? I'm not going to throw it into a calculator. -6 to the 4th times 6 is going to be the same as +6 to the 5th, so this is going to be the same number, so these guys cancel out, no calculator needed. Now that's going to be -3 times 36, minus 22 times -6 is going to be plus 132, I believe, minus 29. -3 times 36 is -108 plus 132 minus 29. I'm going to tell you right now, it's not looking good. 132 minus 108 is going to be 24. 24 minus 29 is -5. -5 is not equal to 0. So is the binomial a factor? The answer is a big fat no.